Anthropic has truly been hurting its own developer community lately with increasingly aggressive rate limits and reduced model performance. A lot of users started noticing a quality drop after Anthropic reportedly lowered the reasoning effort on some models from high to medium, which noticeably impacted code quality, reliability, and consistency. Combined with the newer usage restrictions, it truly made Claude Code feel far more frustrating lately, even though it's still one of the best AI coding products in the market. And I'm not even joking. I'm on the Anthropic Pro plan, and this is where I sent in one request to create a Minecraft clone. And you can clearly see that I was able to burn through my whole Pro plan usage for the day just with that one prompt. And I totally understand. A Minecraft clone being coded out uses a lot of tokens. And I totally get that. Like the outputs are definitely great, but it feels like the entire usability of this pro plan where I'm paying $20 a month isn't justifiable long term because the usage limits start feeling more restrictive than empowering, especially when you're trying to iterate quickly or run larger autonomous coding sessions. And what ends up happening is I have to actually use extra usage, which is where I pay more on top of my $20 plan, which is exactly why there is a tool that caught my attention because instead of locking powerful AI coding workflows behind brutal rate limits, as you saw, and expensive subscriptions, there is a coding agent that we've actually covered before that is a complete opposite approach to what Claude Code does. And it's called Freebuff, a completely free AI coding agent that's designed to feel fast, autonomous, and actually usable for real world deployment. No subscriptions, no complicated setups, no constantly worrying about whether your next prompt is going to destroy your quota for the day. It's powered by GLM 5.1, runs with aggressive agentic workflows, and built in sub agents, and honestly feels like one of the fastest AI coding experiences I have ever tested. But the best part is, it's a free coding agent that works exactly like Claude Code. Now, previously, we had taken a look at CodeBuff, which is the open source AI coding assistant that basically functions like Claude Code, but it has been engineered to specifically work with different agents and with different feature sets to perform better than Claude Code in many instances. Amongst their own eval, it recorded a 61 percentage versus Claude Code, which scored a 53 percentage, and this is on 175 plus different coding tasks. But now Freebuff is another solution that is built on top of CodeBuff, but it is completely free and requires no subscription. And the way it actually functions is pretty interesting because if you see on their GitHub repo, they stated that Freebuff is free because it is ad supported, meaning it doesn't require subscriptions, no credits, no configuration. This is because there's going to be ads displayed within your terminal, which pays for your usage. James, who is the developer of Freebuff, had stated that Freebuff is a zero config coding agent as well, and it works instantly with no setup. It's extremely fast, powered with a custom GPU deployment, which reaches up to 300 tokens per second, which is insanely fast. It also includes 9 built-in sub-agents like Code Reviewer, Browser Use, File Picker, and Thinker for autonomous workflows. It also suggests smart follow-up prompts every turn, making it super smooth as well as intuitive. And what's also nice is that you can connect ChatGPT subscriptions to unlock the GPT 5.5 for plan, review, and even interview to generate full specs. Previously, when I covered CodeBuff, it was using the MiniMax M2.5, but now they have switched it to the GLM 5.1, which gives it a major performance boost. Eval scores that they have reported jumped from 68 to 83 percentage on some of their coding benchmarks, which shows a significant improvement in coding quality as well as reliability. Now, it's still completely free to use, which is just incredible because you can see that even with the GLM 5.1 being enabled within CodeBuff or Freebuff, you're going to be able to get the same performance as the Opus 4.6, which is remarkable. And this is a coding agent that is approximately 10 times faster than other agents, which is incredible. And the results are hard to ignore. In one real example, Claude Code took nearly 20 minutes to build a single feature. CodeBuff, on the other hand, completed the exact same task in just 6 minutes and 45 seconds. That's 3 times faster, and Claude Code's version still contained the bug. CodeBuff finished earlier and got it right. So today, I want to test this out, whether this really represents the next evolution of AI coding agents, or if this is just hype. And this video is actually sponsored by CodeBuff, and I'm going to be as honest as possible when I am showcasing all these demos. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. Now, to get started with Freebuff, it is super simple. You just need to make sure you have the prerequisites installed, or you just need to have Node, the latest version installed. Once that is fulfilled, you can then head over to the Freebuff website, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. Copy the install command, and then open up your terminal. Once you have opened it up, just simply go ahead and paste in the install command within that terminal. This will install all the packages. Now, to start off Freebuff, all you got to do is just simply type in Freebuff within your command prompt, and this will open up the CLI agent. What you got to do first is select a project directory, and this is a TUI that is going to be able to let you interact with the components with your mouse, and that is a game changer because this is going to be super easy for you to interact with all the components of Freebuff. Now, what you will need to do is log in with your Freebuff account. If you do not have one, you can create one off of their website. After logging in, you're going to be then sent over to this model selector page. And one thing I want to emphasize is that recently they implemented a new update where you can even use Kimi K2.6, MiniMax M2.7, as well as DeepSeek version 4 Pro completely for free. Now, if you want a fast option, you would want to go for the M2.7. If you want a balanced option, the Kimi K2.6. The smartest is the DeepSeek version 4 Pro, which is a great option, but they collect the data for training. And one thing you'll notice are these two different ads, and that's how they can essentially fund CodeBuff or Freebuff. Now, what we can do is select whatever option we want to work with. If it is DeepSeek, we can click on it. And if you want, you can actually go back to another model by simply typing in /model, where you can end the session and choose another model. So if you want to go use the Kimi K2.6, you can click on it and it is going to start up the free session where you can use it directly within the Freebuff terminal. Now, to get started with Freebuff, you have a lot of different commands. You have all of these different commands like connecting to your ChatGPT account so that you can use the specific GPT models for certain use cases like a reviewer agent or auditing, because that is a domain that ChatGPT does quite well in. Now, if you are to use the at function, you'll be able to see all the different agents that Freebuff enables users to use. Like, for example, if I click the at function and select the researcher web agent, and I can tell it to go over to my YouTube channel, World of AI, and complete a research on my channel. And this is where it is going to be able to use web searching capabilities to execute this task. What's cool is it'll give you a condensed plan as to what it's going to do. And now you can see that it's also using browser use to execute this task as well. What's also great with Freebuff is that it can deploy multiple sub agents whenever it needs to accomplish a task. So in this case, you can see one agent is focusing on using browser use, and the other agent is working on researching and analyzing as well as scraping data. And at the end of the day, it was able to provide me a condensed summary of what my channel is. Now, this is just one simple example of what you can do through the CLI. There's also suggested follow-ups as to what you can do. Now, this is just incredible because I am currently working on having it create a landing page. The fact that it's able to invoke any agent that it needs at certain areas of the generation is awesome because, as you saw previously, it invoked a code reviewer agent to make sure that the code that was generated is thoroughly written and that it is audited. Now I am able to open it up and you can see this is what it had generated. And this is just incredible. The fact that I am able to generate this type of landing page completely for free with CodeBuff, with dynamic movements, with different typographies is just incredible. And this truly opens up so many avenues because if I am able to do this type of development with a free coding agent that is even faster than Claude Code, it is going to open up many avenues. And what I really like about Freebuff is that it has the ability to work with you to accomplish any task where it will ask follow-up questions like it does within Claude Code. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on Freebuff. This is one of the most interesting AI coding tools I've ever used recently, and it truly flips the entire model on its head by giving you a fast, autonomous coding agent that is actually usable day to day without worrying about subscriptions or hitting limits every few prompts. This is something that is completely free, guys. All of what I generated today was completely free, and that was thanks to Freebuff. This is something that is pretty unique, and I highly recommend that you try it out because it's even faster than Claude Code and it gives you a lot of usage. But with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value. I'll leave all these links in the description below. Make sure you take a look at the second channel, join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.